In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove date hierarchy in Power BI. If you've ever dropped a date into a visual and seen it split into year, quarter, month, and day, that's the automatic date hierarchy at work. It can be useful, but sometimes you just want a single, flat date field that doesn't expand. Here's the cleanest way to achieve that while keeping proper chronological sorting. Start by locating your table in the data pane on the right side of Power BI desktop. Click the table that contains your original date field. This makes sure any new field you create will live in the right place and reference the correct data. Next, select New Column from the ribbon. We're creating a calculated column that mirrors your existing date, but will control how it behaves in visuals. As soon as the formula bar appears, give the column a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, something like date text. Then, set the new column to reference your existing date column. For example, if your reference is a field like Financials Date, simply point the new column to that same field so it holds the same values. With the column created, change its data type to text. You'll find the data type control in the Column Tool section. This is the key move that breaks the automatic hierarchy behavior. Power BI only builds hierarchies on true date types, not on text. Now, to keep your dates in proper chronological order, set the sort behavior. With the new text column selected, click Sort by Column and choose the original date column, the one that the hierarchy was based on. This tells Power BI to display your text dates in the exact order of the real date values, preventing alphabetical sorting that could jumble your timeline. And that's it. You now have a flat, non-hierarchy date field that you can use on axes, in tables, or anywhere you want a simple date label. When you drag this new text field into a visual, it will display as a single level without the expand icons, and it will sort chronologically because it's tied back to your original date column. A quick tip: name the new column clearly so you can distinguish it from your original date field when building visuals. If you notice unexpected order, double-check that Sort by Column is pointing to the original date. With those pieces in place, you'll have precise control over how dates appear, minus the hierarchy, and your visuals will read exactly the way you intend.